Father, you are here already.
The billionaire.
Oh, I thought I asked my boys to fix an appointment for 11:32 a.m.
Billionaire. Oh, you are right.
This is 8:32.
Yes, I had to come some hours to the time. Because it's not good to keep the billionaire waiting. So I decided to come much earlier so that I'll be the one to wait for you. You are welcome, the billionaire.
That's so generous of you.
Thank you.
Yeah. That's fine.
Thank you, billionaire.
There is no challenge. You are welcome.
Thank you, billionaire.
There is this thing that has been bothering me. Based on my busy schedules, I have been so busy.
Yes.
My billionaire friends. So it hasn't given me time. So I was thinking if I could come over to the parish when I am free. But if I keep waiting, time will be going. That was why I asked my boys to put a call across so that it will come.
Billionaire, you don't always have to come to the parish. It's a parish you built single-handedly with your own money. So anytime you need me, I'm a phone call away. I'm always available. In fact, I will always be available for you, billionaire.
Thank you so much.
You are welcome.
Father, I have a confession to make.
Confession? Is that why you wanted to stress yourself by coming to the parish? The billionaire. We do confession anywhere and everywhere. In fact, now that I'm here, let the confession go on. Our God is omnipresent. God is everywhere. Especially in a mansion like this. In fact, God lives at the upper echelon.
Father, should I continue?
Please go ahead.
Father, please forgive me for I have sinned. Father, there is this sin that has been eating me so deep. And with the way people are reacting to it and the poor masses are reacting to it, I have seen it that it is a big sin. It is a sin of radical punching. The way that I punch in funds these days into the account and valid accounts of the poor masses. It is becoming too much and is starting to affect my relationships with both my billionaire friends and even my family. They say that I punch in too much, and it is true.
I don't agree with them, billionaire. You see, you are helping the poor masses. It is even written that blessed are the poor masses, for they shall see God. At least, since they themselves cannot punch it, let them see God at the end. The billionaire, you don't allow poor masses and family to tell you what to punch and how to punch. If they were that wise, why didn't they make their own money? The billionaire, if you stop punching, the poor masses will have issues. How will they survive? How will they feed? The billionaire, I will advise you continue punching.
Even just 2 days ago, I punched in 513.2 billion into the account of one of my billionaire friends.
The billionaire.
24 hours ago, I have punched in 72.2 billion into the account of one of my billionaire friends. Before you came, just 2 hours ago, I have punched in 32.2 billion into the account of 3 boys that were just crossing this estate.
The billionaire. Please take it easy. Take it easy with the punching.
That is what I am talking about.
It is written that when you punch it, in good measure, press down, shaking together, and running over, shall men punch into your own account. The billionaire, with the amount you are punching, with these figures you are mentioning now, the billionaire, it is clear that the government is on your shoulders. Take it easy.
Father, this thing is becoming an obsession.
The billionaire. There is no obsession that is too bad when it comes to cash distribution. This is the kind of obsession that we are praying for. If we have 2 or 3 or more people like you in this banana island with this same obsession, there will be no recession in our nation.
Father, thank you for this year communication. But I have one more confession.
The billionaire, remember that it is written that there is therefore no condemnation to he that is fixing the nation.
Father, I have directed my PA to punch into the parish account 516.2 billion.
Holy Mary, Angelus.
And as well, I have directed them to increase their salary by 200%.
Hi.
So they'll be punching in 42.2 billion into your savings account.
The billionaire.
Then to change your wardrobe and your hairstyle with 6.2 billion.
The billionaire.
Father, that is my confession.
The billionaire. With all these figures you are punching into my account. The billionaire. Please forgive me, for I have sinned.
The Lord be with you. You got the point now? That is just it.